Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make fermented beetroot juice. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. We take a large jar. We will start by cutting the beets into smaller pieces. It is best to use vegetables that we have planted ourselves. Then, they have the most nutritional value, and we are also sure about how they grew, if any fertilizers were used, etc. Cut the beets enough to fill about half of the jar. Now we need to add some horseradish, which we have to wash from the ground before. Next is garlic. Add a few peeled garlic cloves. Now it's time for a dill sprig. It can be both fresh or dried. We use the whole dill, that is, together with the flower. Now a few dried bay leaves, as well as a few grains of allspice for flavor. At the end, we have to pour over the boiled and then cooled water with salt. Everything should be under the water level, so the mold won't show on the surface. Now we can close our jar and put it in a cool place. If the temperature is too high, fermentation can proceed too quickly. Every day it is necessary to check whether there is any coating on the surface. If so, we must collect it and throw it away as soon as possible. You can use not only fresh beets, but also those that were frozen earlier. After less than a week, my fermented beetroot juice is ready. Now you just need to pour it into some bottles. I always keep them in the fridge. We take a funnel and pour. We can enjoy our own fermented beetroot juice with many health-promoting properties. Bon appetit!